Hi, and welcome to Smith's Renault in Peterborough. My name is Matthew and I'm going to walk you around this Suzuki Splash. It's the 5-door hatch, it's the 1 litre petrol engine, and it's the SZ3 model, and it's finished in white. As you can see, the front bumper and bonnet is all free from any major scratching, scuffing or chipping, which is all nice. No major dings or dents on the doors. Wheels and tyres in nice condition. Rear bumper again, free from any major scuffing or scratching. Bodywork is very, very good condition. I'll just show you inside the vehicle now. Just get into the into the boot area. Quite a bit of storage underneath there. All nice and clean and tidy. Plenty of room in the back here for 3 adults. No ripping or staining on the seats. Cabin all in lovely condition. So just a brief summary, this is a Suzuki Splash, it's the 1 litre petrol SZ3 model in the 5-door hatch. If you'd like any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact Smith's Renault in Peterborough. Our telephone number is 01733 330 030. Thank you.